How to play missions in GTA 5 story mode. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, and you can literally do it on anything you're playing GTA 5 on. So what you want to go ahead and do is, let's say if I open up the map right now, let's just open it up. And let's say I'm in story mode. I'm playing as Michael right now. I can see a few blue markers. That's going to give me the option to basically do a mission for Michael since I'm playing as him. If I go to like an orange one or a green one as Michael, it's not going to let me. So the orange ones are for Trevor. As you can see, like it changes the HUD, and the green ones are for Franklin. So before you go to a location, you got to switch your character. Let's say I wanted to go to this Leicester mission. I've got to switch to Franklin and then head to this location right here. Once I head to the location, the mission's automatically going to start depending on the area you're in, because it has like different checkpoints, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. What you can also do is go over to your settings, then just go over to game, and then you can replay missions as well if you ever want to go ahead and do that. And yeah, it's as simple as that.